about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to.
So I should never be allowed to wrap anything ever. Ever, ever, ever. 10 out of 10. Let's try French fries. Perfect. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10 meal. I'm gonna go finish this, and I'll catch you guys for the next meal. I should really stop talking because I'm now full. Okay, so I was gonna make green beans with the salmon and sweet potato, but I was off by 1 day on the expiration date, and I just decided not to cook it. And I know that most people would say it's off by 1 day, Raquel, definitely use it. But the way I trust an expiration date, I'm not using it if I can't. I don't know. There's too many weird things going on in the food industry, I feel like recently, that I trust an expiration date. A sell by date is one thing. A best by date is another thing. An expiration date means it's done. Look it up. There's a difference. I looked it up because I needed to know. Maybe I would have used it, but when I opened it up, it smelled like farts. So I decided to throw it away. So I think I'm just gonna do some tomatoes. And I think that'll be that. And I'm actually not gonna eat this. This is actually gonna be my lunch for tomorrow morning. And then tonight I'm just gonna cut up some tofu and put some salt on it with some black pepper, and that'd be my dinner. So this is like one of my favorite like little snacks. Extra firm tofu. Hot. It's so hot. So good. It's crispy on the outside, and all you do is put just salt and pepper. And then if you want, you can put like sriracha, soy sauce if you want, but I put salt already. And then, or you could put the Japanese barbecue sauce, which I actually, no, I'm just gonna stick like this. What I do like to eat this with usually is spicy kimchi, but I don't have any right now. So I'm just gonna eat it alone. This is my bedtime snack. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.